By the end of this video, you're going to be shocked by the fact that you've lived this long without this. A good supply of packing tape and one of these, a tape gun. I know my channel's about gold and silver, but when I run into products that I love, that I believe in, I feel like I owe it to you to share it with you. And I think this, the packing tape, is one of the most underutilized household products out there. There are some really cool things beyond packing up boxes, right, that it originally was designed for, that you can use this stuff for. I'll give you one quick example to start out, and I got plenty, trust me, so get a cup of coffee. But I had an old John Deere tractor, lawn tractor. I think it was a 318. Nonetheless, one of the back tail light, no, it was a headlight. One of the headlight, the plastic thing on the headlight cracked. And I went online to try to get a new one. It was going to cost like $100 for this piece of plastic, you know, that the light bulb sat inside of. I used a piece of this stuff, packing tape, put it on there nice and smoothly, really carefully, and it looked like brand new. You could never tell it was on there, and it lasted over 10 years. Now, another great thing you can use packing tape for is like a miniature laminator. Like out in our garage, I have a little Honda dirt bike I bought for my daughters a couple years ago. All the neighbor kids are always at our house. And when I'm not here, I don't want them touching the dirt bike, right? They're only allowed to ride it when daddy's home, or their friends for that matter. So you can just make a little sign like this that says, "Do not touch," and then put a piece of laminate, our packing tape on each side, cut it out with scissors, and I'll guarantee you, this is sturdy. This is going to last forever. My mother-in-law's house, she has a big glass like solarium off the second story, like a sunroom, but it's all made out of glass, and it's got like this curved glass. They were having problems with water leaking into the room below. Well, I went up and I saw one of the sheets of glass had cracked. Yeah, you got it. I dried it out really good with a hairdryer, cleaned it off really good, put about 5 layers of this on the inside because there was no way I was going to get on the outside. It was way too dangerous, and it hasn't leaked for like 6 years, but there's even more. Would you believe this stuff can save your marriage as well? What I've learned over the years of marriage to my wonderful wife, Susie, is that usually when I start to get riled up with her, and that's not very often, but usually I'm wrong. So if I put a piece of that tape across my mouth like I had at the beginning of the video, wait 24 hours, everything seems to blow over. Now, what about if you have kids or grandkids for that matter? I'm telling you, this stuff, you know all those books your kids and grandkids have? And when they're little, they rip pages out? This is the ultimate book repair tool. Let's say it that. What else do we have? Christmas gifts. I use this to wrap Christmas gifts, and it makes it so much easier. Pull it off. Look how fast I'm able to do that. You can wrap Christmas gifts faster than ever imaginable. And if you buy a bulk amount of this stuff, I guarantee you, over time, you're going to save hundreds of dollars over hundreds and hundreds of rolls of Scotch tape. And let's just say, for instance, maybe you got just one of these around your house. That's a 10-ounce silver bar. And here's the plastic container that it came in. Now, I like to feel my silver, so I cut this one open and opened it up. But if you take a piece of that tape and then fold it over on itself at the end, you can create an easy-to-open little flap. So I'll put my silver bar in there, fold it over. Okay, it's sealed shut. But when I want to open it, I don't know if you can see this, there's a little flap there because I folded the end over, and I can open it back up and let my little buddy get some air. Hey, I hope you enjoyed my video on packing tape and the gun you need to get also. I'm going to put a link in the description and the pinned comment below where you can check them out for yourself on Amazon. Trust me, you'll be glad you did, and you'll discover more and more uses for this what is really Scotch tape on steroids. Buy a good quality tape. It always pays when you're buying paint or tape or whatever to buy a good quality product. If you enjoyed my video, you're always welcome to come back here to Ron's Basement. You can subscribe right here, give the video a thumbs up, or go watch another video. Spend a little more time down here with me. Number one, I'll look forward to seeing you again next time.